Hey YouTube, how we doing today? I know, everyone's so shocked. Another Gerber product back in the shop today. This one's a little bit interesting. It's got a strange little bit to it. But, I'm going to show you everything about it after we roll that intro. So stay tuned, and here we go. Alright, YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, as you saw by that opening, we're going to take a look at the Gerber PR as in Papa Romeo 2.5. Now, before we get too far into it, for you first-time viewers and you long-time guys, you know who you are. Look right down there. Alright, you're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. Go ahead, hover over that thing, man. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. Go ahead, click on that, get it out the way early, and you're going to feel better about yourself for the rest of the day. Now, it's no huge secret on my channel I have an affinity for Gerber products. That's where I really cut my teeth on way back when I was a sprout. I believe my first blade was a Gerber blade. And after living in Portland, Oregon for almost 2 decades, I've got a severe affinity for them. Alright? This one... yeah, I know, it's really small. Seriously, it really is. I mean, God, how can I put it? Alright. I thought it might be neat as a gentleman's blade, but when I got it, it seriously makes me feel like it's a neck knife. You know? The one thing I really truly hated about it, and I say this on every single blade, if you're going to put a lanyard hole on something, you better have a reversible frickin' pocket clip. Alright? Because it's really dumb to have your paracord running the whole way up and you have to pull and have this blade turning as it comes out. But that's me. One of the huge things I loved is these little rubber inlays in here. It makes it feel pretty comfortable in your hand. It just feels great. Now, let's get into the stats and the fun stuff, okay? So it's got an overall length of 5.75 inches. Closed, it's 3.25, and the blade is 2.50. It has a very minor weight to it at 1.7 ounces. I mean, I think the package almost weighs as much as the blade does, to be honest, and that's with the package open. Now, as you know, it's in the drop point style, which I really, truly like here. It's got a plain edge, which for Gerber is almost amazing. It's got a hollow grind, bead blast finish on the blade, and this is the part that made me go, okay, Whiskey Tango Foxtrot. 440A stainless steel. The blade didn't cost that much, crap steel. Alright, that's cool. I get it. You don't want to be caught with this as your only blade, as bushcrafting, but for an everyday carry thing, for everyday tasks, like, cutting boxes or opening letters, it ain't a bad blade. It's really not. If you can see in there, it does have a stainless steel frame. Now, this is the part that gets me. All right, they go, it's a paddle open, which, yeah, it's got the little paddle right here, as opposed to thumb studs. But they have it buried in here. All right, so you have a little bit of difficulty one-hand opening at times, because you have to get in there and open it. Like I showed you, that damn lanyard hole. It does have a liner lock. One position pocket clip, right hand carry, tip down. Now the handle itself, as opposed to the little, they call it triple injection, rubber overmold inserts, is just glass filled nylon. No big deal. And yeah, as you saw when I was turning it around, you don't see made in Portland or made in whatever, so it's made in China. No big deal. Okay? So, let's do the fun stuff that we love to do here on the channel. A little bit of paracord. Oy. Yeah, that was not good. I could feel myself really having a pull on it. Just as a pull test. Yeah. Okay. Heavy duty stock paper. Wow. Yeah. Okay then. And let's see what it does here. That's not cutting well at all. Let's go with our friend Mr. Ratchet Strat. Yeah, I expected that. I really truly did. Alright, so, yeah, after all that, I took a look at it, Amazon, Gerber, and Blade HQ for cost and ratings. On Amazon, it's going to run you $21.40 with free shipping. Over on Gerber, it's $29, and currently on their website, it's out of stock as of January 13th, 2019, when I'm shooting this video. And Blade HQ is $18.95. It's rated 4 out of 5 stars on Gerber, but I've discussed this before. I don't trust their rating system because they really seem to be skewed whenever they rate one of their products. And over on Amazon, it's only been reviewed 21 times and scored pretty low at 3.8 stars out of 5. Okay, now here's the important part of the video. Seriously, this is the most important part. I want to know what you, my viewer, thinks down below. Leave your questions, comments, love, hatred, anything, man. Let me know what you're thinking about this blade. Because I'll be honest, I'm not overly impressed at it. It was one of these that looked better online than when I got it, and I've got it in my hand. You know? Hey, all right. But with all that fun stuff being said, if you're a first-time viewer of my channel, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm very flattered you chose one of mine. Now, for you first-time guys, and you long-time viewers, here is your second chance at redemption. Look right down there. You're going to see a big old channel logo popping up. All right, go and click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and clicked on subscribe, please beat up the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Well, it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, that's right, two are going to be popping up over there. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My very quick tabletop look at the Gerber PR 2.5. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day today.